Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. I'm Monica. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting journeys you'll embark on this year, your ultimate glow up for 2024. Whether you're looking to revamp your skincare routine, find the perfect hairstyle, or redefine your personal style, we've got you covered. This video is your all-in-one guide to transforming into the best version of yourself. So, grab a cozy seat and maybe a notepad, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the tips and tricks you need to shine brighter than ever before. Imagine stepping into 2024 with a newfound confidence, radiating from every aspect of your being. From glowing skin that catches the light just right, to hair that's as healthy as it is stylish, we're here to help you achieve that and more. We'll delve into the secrets of skincare, breaking down easy-to-follow routines and DIY hacks that fit into even the busiest of schedules. But we won't stop there. Your hands and feet deserve just as much love, and we've got the best tips for keeping them soft, smooth, and ready for anything. And let's not forget about the fun part, fashion and lifestyle. Discover how to curate a wardrobe that not only flatters your unique body shape but also expresses your personality. Learn lifestyle habits that not only support your physical appearance but boost your mental well-being too. By integrating these simple yet effective changes into your daily life, you'll see a transformation that goes beyond the surface. Stay tuned, because this isn't just a glow-up, it's a journey to becoming your most radiant, confident self in 2024. Let's get started. Welcome to the ultimate skincare chapter of our glow-up journey. In this segment, we're diving deep into the secrets of achieving radiant, healthy skin. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned enthusiast, we've got something for everyone. We'll break down simple, easy-to-follow routines and share some amazing DIY hacks that can seamlessly fit into even the busiest schedules. Get ready to unlock the glowing skin you've always dreamed of, with practical tips you can start using today. First things first, let's talk about the basics of a solid skincare routine. Cleansing is the foundation, and it's crucial to find a cleanser that suits your skin type. Start by rinsing your face with warm water to open up your pores and gently massage your cleanser in circular motions, adding more water gradually. This helps to remove dirt, oil, and makeup, leaving your skin clean and refreshed. Follow this with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for the next steps. Moisturizing is non-negotiable, even for oily skin types. It helps to keep your skin hydrated and can actually reduce oiliness over time by preventing your skin from overcompensating for dryness. Now, let's sprinkle in some fun and effective DIY skincare hacks. Did you know that you can create a soothing face mask using just ingredients from your kitchen? Mix some plain yogurt with honey for a hydrating and antibacterial mask that's perfect for all skin types. Another great hack is using green tea bags as a toner. Simply steep them in hot water, let them cool, and apply the tea to your face with a cotton pad to reduce redness and inflammation. And don't forget the power of exfoliation. You can make a gentle exfoliant by combining sugar and olive oil, which helps to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. These DIY tips are not only cost-effective but also ensure that you're using natural ingredients on your skin. Welcome to the chapter where we focus on giving your hands and feet the love and care they truly deserve. These often neglected parts of our body can make a huge difference in our overall appearance and confidence. Imagine the joy of having soft, smooth hands and feet that are ready for any occasion, from a spontaneous beach day to an elegant evening out. First, let's talk about moisturizing. Your hands and feet are exposed to harsh elements daily, making regular moisturizing crucial. Choose a rich moisturizer with nourishing ingredients like shea butter or coconut oil. Apply it generously after washing your hands or bathing to lock in moisture. Next, let's pamper those hands and feet with some easy at-home spa treatments. A relaxing soak can do wonders. Fill a basin with warm water, add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus, and let your hands and feet soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This not only softens the skin but also soothes tired muscles. Follow up with a manicure and pedicure to keep your nails neat and healthy. Trim and file your nails regularly, and don't forget to push back the cuticles gently. Apply a nourishing cuticle oil to keep them hydrated and prevent hangnails. Finally, protect your hands and feet from the sun by applying sunscreen to prevent premature aging and maintain their youthful appearance. By incorporating these simple yet effective steps into your routine, your hands and feet will stay soft, smooth, and ready for anything. Welcome to the most exciting chapter where fashion meets lifestyle, creating a powerful synergy that enhances both your outer appearance and inner well-being. Imagine stepping into a world where every piece of clothing in your wardrobe not only flatters your unique body shape but also tells a story about who you are. Curating such a wardrobe starts with understanding your body type, whether you're an hourglass, pear, apple, or rectangle, and selecting styles that highlight your best features. For instance, if you have an hourglass figure, embrace fitted dresses and high-waisted pants that accentuate your waist. Pear-shaped bodies can shine in A-line skirts and off-the-shoulder tops that balance proportions. By choosing clothes that celebrate your shape, you'll feel more confident and stylish every day. But fashion is not just about clothes, it's about expressing your personality. Incorporate pieces that reflect your interests and values. Are you passionate about sustainability? Opt for eco-friendly brands and vintage finds. Love bold statements? Don't shy away from vibrant colors and unique patterns. Your wardrobe should be a reflection of your personal journey and the stories you want to tell. To keep things fresh, regularly declutter your closet, removing items that no longer serve you and making space for new additions that excite you. Remember, it's not about the quantity but the quality and how each piece makes you feel. Beyond fashion, let's delve into lifestyle habits that not only enhance your physical appearance but also boost your mental well-being. Start with the basics: nutrition, exercise, and sleep. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains fuels your body and keeps your skin glowing. Regular physical activity, whether it's yoga, jogging, or dancing, not only tones your body but also releases endorphins that elevate your mood. Prioritize sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours per night to allow your body to rest and rejuvenate. Finally, cultivate mindfulness practices like meditation or journaling to manage stress and maintain a positive outlook. These habits create a holistic approach to beauty, where looking good is intertwined with feeling good from within. As we wrap up this transformative journey to your ultimate glow-up for 2024, remember that true beauty and confidence come from a harmonious blend of looking good and feeling good. By now, you've learned how to tailor your skincare routine to keep your skin radiant and healthy, ensuring it catches the light just right. And let's not forget the love and care you've shown to your hands and feet, keeping them soft, smooth, and ever ready to take on the world. Each of these steps is designed to make you feel like the best version of yourself every single day. Beyond skincare and hair care, your wardrobe now reflects who you are, enhancing your confidence with every outfit you choose. Fashion is a powerful tool for self-expression, and by curating a wardrobe that flatters your body shape and speaks to your personality, you're not just following trends, you're setting them. This is more than just picking clothes, it's about understanding your body and celebrating it. Each piece you wear tells a story, your story, making every day an opportunity to showcase your true self to the world. With these fashion tips, you're ready to turn heads and leave a lasting impression wherever you go. Lastly, remember that glowing up is as much about inner beauty as it is about outer beauty. The lifestyle habits we've discussed, from healthy eating and regular exercise to mindfulness and self-care practices, are essential for your overall well-being. These habits ensure that your glow is not just skin deep but radiates from within. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you'll not only enhance your physical appearance but also boost your mental well-being, creating a balanced and fulfilling life. Your glow-up journey doesn't end here, it's a continuous path to becoming your most radiant, confident self.